I think it was.
Team mar Tusker FC oloyo team mar AFC Leopards gola achiel kuom nono e tugo mar lig maduong' ma pacho ka FKF. Tusker koro oidho nyaka e thuolo mar ariyo to Gor Mahia ka koro gin gi points 42 ka Gor nigi points 46. AFC Leopards koro mako namba 5 gi points 38. E tugo machielo Bandari oloyo team mar Ulinzi Stars gonde 5 kuom nono e paw tuke Mambaraki Mombasa.
It was a tight match as we expected. As I told you the other day, we expected a tough match and we saw it. But we planned so well, very well. And the players also play according to the way we have been training. FC is a strong team. They have good players. It's a tactical side.
I think people saw a good game. We played well, especially in second half. We had some more opportunities, and we have been killed at the last minute because defensively we were not enough aggressive. It's football. It's football with all the injuries and the suspended. I guess, and I feel that we made a very good game against the
Team mar Kariobangi Sharks oloyo Bidco United